Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wyze Cam step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Wyze Cam from the box. Ensure you have the necessary components: the camera, a USB power adapter, and a micro USB cable. Next, position your Wyze Cam in a location with a clear view of the desired area. Plug the micro USB cable into the camera. Connect the other end of the cable to the USB power adapter. Then, plug the adapter into a wall outlet. Wait for the camera to power on. You will notice a yellow light flashing on the front of the camera. This indicates that your Wyze Cam is in setup mode. Now, download the Wyze app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the Wyze app and create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Wyze account. Tap on the plus icon in the upper left corner to add a new device. Select Wyze Cam from the list of devices. Follow the prompts to connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi network name and password handy. The camera will prompt you to scan a QR code displayed on the app screen. Hold your phone in front of the camera for it to scan the code. Once the camera acknowledges the QR code, you'll hear a voice notification. Now, wait for the camera to connect to your Wi-Fi network. This may take a few moments. Once connected, the light on your Wyze Cam will turn solid blue. You can now customize your camera settings within the app. Adjust the motion detection sensitivity or set up alerts as needed. Finally, position your camera as desired for optimal coverage. Your Wyze Cam is now set up and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.